Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, there are still many people who are actually saying, Krish, please make a video like how to follow all the playlist, how you actually structured it, how to follow the videos, which playlist we should actually see first, and then we should probably jump to the next playlist. So in this particular video, I'm going to cover all these things. You can see that I'll tell you from where to start if you are a beginner. So I'm just going to open a notepad file. I'll put up all the links, and all these particular links will be given in the description. So to begin with, guys, suppose you are a starter in DS, right? Starter in data science. So first of all, let me just show you from where you can actually start. Now, if you are a starter in data science, machine learning, or deep learning, the first of all that you need to know a programming language. Now, this programming language is that I consider is definitely Python. But if you really want to know about our programming language also, I will be providing the links. Okay. But with respect to our programming language, guys, I have not created much more video with respect to machine learning and all. Let us consider that we are just going to focus on machine learning right now. Our programming playlist I'll be putting in the description. So the first playlist in my channel, if you go and search with respect to my channel, guys, always remember, focus on the playlist. Okay, the playlist that is actually created, I've actually structured it in a proper way. Okay, so if you are a starter, start with Python programming language. We have already conducted community classes also in collaboration with iNeuron. But if you're a starter, I would suggest start with this particular playlist. This playlist name is Complete Machine Learning Playlist. Okay, so this playlist has somewhere around 79 videos. Right now, about, if I talk about somewhere around 21, 22, 24, like 23 to 24 videos are just on Python. Okay, and this is pretty much important videos. I have not actually discussed completely all in depth in Python, but whatever is required for you to do machine learning, that all things is basically covered. I've also covered OOPS concepts. So this is the first link, guys. When you're starting through my playlist, just go and directly see till 22nd to 23rd video. Okay, so once you see till here, probably you'll be able to understand the Python part. Then take a pause from this particular playlist. Why I'm telling you take a pause? Then you have to understand about statistics, and for statistics I have also created one playlist. Okay, so this statistics playlist, and again, guys, first of all, I'll just give this link. Okay, so the first process that what I will be doing, or you should be doing, if you are a starter in data science, first go to the machine learning playlist. Okay, sorry, this is the complete machine learning playlist. Also remember the playlist name, guys. It will definitely be helpful for you. I have created more than 630 videos, so I'm actually telling you, follow this. You will definitely be able to crack the interviews. Okay, so this is the complete machine learning playlist. Try to do one thing, try to see the first 20 videos, the top 20 to 22 videos, right? In basically all are in order. You just have to go one by one, or just select the next option. Those videos will be opened by this particular playlist. Now coming to the second one, I really want you all to see statistics playlist. And again, guys, this is also not the complete playlist. The application part and all, I'll be showing you from where you can actually see those things. Okay, see those things. That will be pretty much amazing. So statistics playlist is important because you need to understand some concepts with respect to data. Okay, with respect to data, how the data behaves. You know, there are concepts like Gaussian distribution, normal distribution. There are concepts like what is normal variables, central limit theorems, Chebyshev's inequality. So from where do you get that? I've already created a playlist for that too. You just have to refer the next playlist, which I'm actually going to show, which is nothing but the statistics in machine learning. Again, I'm going to write this playlist name, that is statistics in machine learning, over here. Okay, so just follow this, guys. This will be pretty much amazing. Trust me, many people was able to do it. They were able to learn in a proper way. They were able to understand. because I've just not shown practical things. I've explained in the board, in the whiteboard, how things happen, everything, and it requires a lot of efforts. Trust me guys, when I started creating videos, it was like very, very difficult. I had to take so many retakes and all, and at that time I did not had some good editing tools also. So whenever I was recording, at one shot I was recording. Now with respect to this statistics playlist, I would suggest just go through all of these particular videos. Okay, complete this particular videos. Okay, complete this particular videos. Now after this what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell you about the third thing that you have to focus. Okay, so this I'd suggest to go till the top 24 videos, because top 24 videos I've included EDA, histogram, which will be pretty much necessary in your feature engineering or exploratory data analysis. Now the next thing that you have to focus on is basically your feature engineering. Still we have not started, I'm not showing you anything directly with respect to machine learning. In feature engineering, okay, this needs to be completed. Okay, this whole complete playlist needs to be seen. Okay, please just watch it, it will be lovely. Okay, now with respect to feature engineering, again this playlist also I have actually created. So complete playlist you can actually refer, and recently I was also taking live sessions on feature engineering, so that I have included that all in one playlist, so that you can always refer, and that playlist link I will be giving it over here. So here I'm just going to open this new tab, and you can see over here, right? So this is my, this is my whole playlist, you can see over here. Now start with the basic things like feature engineering, different type of feature engineering techniques, this, and all these videos were live session guys. I had actually completed very, very good topics like how to handle missing values, how to handle category features, how to do transformation and standardization, how to perform probability ratio encoding. This is one of the category features. Probably I'll just order it over here, which is pretty much amazing, right? So how to handle the imbalanced data set, this also is pretty much discussed over here. Live discussion on outliers and impacts on machine learning use cases, right? So I have actually discussed all these things with respect to the feature engineering in this particular playlist. And I think, again guys, this is not a very big playlist. Okay, I've just created somewhere around 15 videos, but it will give you a huge amount of knowledge. So I'm going to take this particular link, okay, and I'm actually going to put it over here. Okay, so this will be pretty much important. Just continue this. Okay, now the next thing is that fourth one, what I would like to suggest you all, after completing this playlist, then I'll again say continue the complete machine learning playlist. Okay, complete machine learning playlist. See guys, I've got some feedbacks from the subscriber. When they followed this particular structure, they hardly completed all the videos within 2 to 3 days, because they wanted to study it very, very quickly. They had learned already, so they went quickly. They started learning very, very quickly. I just gave them this particular steps. It has helped them. Okay, so from 24 videos, continue till all the videos. Okay, all the videos. And again guys, not all the videos are present over there. There is a reason for that, because I have moved some of the implementation videos with respect to some projects. Okay, so just continue the playlist, try to see all the videos. They are somewhere around more 50 videos present in that particular playlist. Again, I'm telling you over here. So once you are able to complete till here, you can see that very good like probability density function I've discussed, linear regression, in-depth maths intuition, ridge and lasso, then practical implementation, multicollinearity, bias and variance, multilinear regression, R squared, adjusted R squared, all these things have been explained. And trust me guys, most of the videos I've explained in the board, so it will be pretty much amazing when you are actually trying to learn. Okay, so this is the third playlist. You have to complete the whole thing. Okay, complete till the end, and here you will be able to learn everything as such. Okay, so it will be pretty much amazing. Again, now coming to this, again, once you complete the machine learning, yeah, I'll also be telling you about the deep learning, don't worry about that. The next thing that you need to focus on is basically my live stream playlist. Okay, so this is my next playlist, live stream playlist, which I usually daily I take this up, and the link is given over here. And here you can see in live stream playlist, I have done again some live sessions with respect to projects only. So you can see, forget about the deep learning project right now if you don't know deep learning. If you know deep learning, you can start this. But end-to-end Kaggle machine learning project with deployment, live discussion of resume or data scientist, live discussion how to read research paper as a data scientist, live project stock sentiment analysis using news headline. This is with the help of NLP. Career guidance of freshers and experience in data science, live implementation of cricket score prediction, live implementation of flight fare prediction with web app project with deployment. See, all these projects are with deployment I have actually done. Live implementation of movie recommendation with deployment using Heroku. Live implementation, 7th healthcare end-to-end projects with deployment. Again, see, all the projects what I have actually focused on is with deployments. Okay, so you have to see this top 10 videos, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 videos will be more than sufficient. Okay, so 10 videos. So 10 videos I'll try to specify over here so that it will be very much easy for you. So here I'm just going to suggest you top 10 videos. Okay, so top 10 videos. So top 10 videos. Done. Once you're done with this, you have completed most of the machine learning things. After this, guys, if you really want to go into much more depth with respect to some other pipelines kind of projects, I've also created that. Let me just show that particular project to you, which will be pretty much handy, you know. So machine learning pipelines, if you really want to create pipelines means segmentation, you know, as you're going, each and every life cycle is implemented correctly. Let me just show that particular playlist also. And probably I've just created around 5 videos around that, so which will again be very handy. So this is basically my machine learning pipelines videos, and I've taken a very good example with respect to the project that is also Kaggle project, advanced house prediction. Okay, so I'm just going to take this, probably I'm going to name this machine learning pipelines over here. The 6th is this. Okay, trust me guys, if you follow this, that is more than sufficient. Okay, you will be able to solve a lot of things, you know. Just practice this. I'd suggest just practice this. Okay, now once you are pretty much comfortable with all these things, now it's time to move towards the deep learning playlist. Is pretty much awesome what I've actually created. I have got a lovely feedback. Okay, so if you are planning to start with complete deep learning playlist, so just go inside my deep learning playlist, and the link to this particular playlist I'm just going to give it over here again, and all this information will be present in the description. Keep a task, take out a print paper, just put all these things over there, write it down, not the links. Probably what you can do is that save it in your notepad and just follow this without focusing on any other things. Okay, now this is important, and why I'm telling you, I'll tell you, deep learning, please focus on that, because I'm planning for some live sessions in deep learning where I'm going to teach you some advanced concepts of transformers. I'm going to come up with a BERT, advanced concepts with respect to BERT, like Albert, the other variations and all. And there will be so many things that will be coming up, and implementation will be also shown in the live sessions, right? So this videos, I'd suggest you complete till encoder decoders. I don't know, there's some problem with YouTube playlist, you know. When I add one video in the playlist, it will just add 2 times. I don't know. I have to raise the complaint to the YouTube. Okay, fine. So this all playlists are pretty much important. All are implemented over here till encoder, decoder, everything is available. Now the next thing is this transformers. I have discussed about LSTM RNN. I've discussed about RNN with implementation, with some cool projects like stock price prediction and all, right? Please do complete this playlist in this particular week, guys. I request you, because next week probably I'll be coming up with live sessions with respect to transformers, BERT, implementation, object detection. So it is better that you understand the basic concepts of deep learning with respect to CNN, ANN, and RNN, right? So this is my complete deep learning playlist. The implementation is basically done with Keras and TensorFlow. And if people know, I'm also being uploading a playlist on Pytorch. So Pytorch will be my next link, which I really want to show it to you. So if you're interested in Pytorch, follow this particular playlist. Pytorch is basically shown. Again, in here, you'll be seeing how to do the installation, how to implement things. Here, I have explained everything in depth, again in the whiteboard, how deep learning actually works, what are neural networks, what is hidden layers, how it actually performs, how it happens in CNN, everything, all the concepts are basically explained over here, guys. Okay, so just follow this particular list. This is a sincere request. And then finally, once you have completed this, the last thing, again, I'll give you the next link of Pytorch. So this is Pytorch, and the top one is of TensorFlow. Okay, so this is TensorFlow and Keras. Okay, probably I've done it with respect to Keras, right? So this is done. Now just imagine, so much content is there. Don't go anywhere, just follow this. Finally, eighth thing that I would like you all to support me. I've also created a playlist which is called as live project playlist, and this playlist is basically for members. And the reason why I have done this, because I may get some kind of income from people like you, so that you'll be able to help me out. And again, from this, YouTube takes somewhere around 40%. Not everything is coming to me. So this will actually help me to buy some of the things that I really wanted to buy for the video recording also. So for that, I usually create some, again, end-to-end, some amazing projects for members itself. And that particular playlist link, I'm also going to show it to you. So that playlist name is Live Project Playlist. Why can't I see it? Okay, here I have. And this is the last playlist I really want you all to follow. Okay, if you are a student, you can take it at 59 rupees plan. If you are a professional, you can take it at 299 rupees plan. And if you want some special attention, if you have some special queries with respect to your things, you can also take 799 plan. So these are the videos with respect to my live project playlist. You can see different projects like air quality index prediction, image web scraping, checking password strength using ML, it's a multi-classification problem, flight price prediction, phishing classifier, data science projects, for face recognition using Keras and OpenCV, fake news classifier with machine learning algorithm, waterfall detection. More different projects are actually available over here. I've also implemented one GAN project, yawn detector, and many more projects have basically been solved for the members itself. So definitely you can also refer this after you have actually completed all these things, guys. So the last thing that I'd like to suggest is live projects playlist. Okay, now I think none of you should have a complaint that saying that Krish, you have not, your content is completely here and there. You see, guys, I've taken a full day effort and I have organized this into playlist. And probably you should now take this particular advantage and start learning, guys. And trust me, for some of my members or some of the people, some of my subscribers, I've told the same way how to follow it, and they were able to do some amazing work with respect to this kind of playlist, guys, and they were able to crack jobs. Just follow this and you will be able to complete anything, and you'll be able to do some amazing projects. Okay, so yes, this was all about this particular video. And guys, one more very good thing about my channel, we have just reached 10 million views. Okay, 10 million views in my channel, which is pretty much amazing because it took more than 2.5 years for 10 million views. If it had been an entertainment channel or something like that, they achieved somewhere around 100 million views. So I'm pretty much happy because every million is a very good thing, because there are very less number of people who are moving still into data science. Probably in the upcoming 4 to 5 years, it will take time so that people will know about the importance of data science and they will start moving. But the best thing about it is I'm very much happy because people are liking it. So many people have joined my Telegram channel also. So all the information of those will be given in my description of this particular video with all this particular information. And if you have any more queries, you can just put down the comment and definitely I'll try to reply all. And if you already know some of the queries, try to reply those comments. It will be helpful for everyone, right? So yes, this was all about this particular video. And guys, yes, thank you for all the support, and please focus on this. Don't worry about here and there. Start learning this. You will definitely be able to follow this particular playlist because I have explained everything from basics, everything from scratch, right? So yes, this was all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe the channel if you have not already subscribed. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, one and all. Bye bye.